As a diploma engineer, my limited knowledge, limited skill, and limited resources, but unlimited practices and hard work from my best, that makes me capable to invent and patented the sustainable technology in India. My parents clean the clothes for their occupation as washermen and educate me, and for the reason I am able to clean the environment from carbon to reduce the emission of it by my invented patented technology in India. Fuel the sustainable technology to power the sustainable future. The effects come out from aspect of global warming that reveals the perception of sustainable